Salve, salve! Nomodnolife, let's go! Dia 2. Bora que bora. Um pouco atrasado, mas não dá nada. Cooler tá cheio, pizza comprada, motor abastecido. Como diz a lenda.
Pneu calibrado.
Olha a lenda aí.
E o botão passou.
Bora! This is how it looks like. Damn! Let's go!
Yeah, literal's gonna need a very smooth run to win this.
Here we go, literal out front. Maybe he's got that clean air, throws it high inside of the fastball. Brandon Swanson, he's giving it back to him. Literal around the track. As these guys taking out the inside clips, literal into the crease.
Tá pegando fogo, bicho! Chama o bombeiro lá!
Brings it around.
That's a good one.
All right, pull it off track. Pull it off track, Ryan Literal. All right, so
That was a hot lap.
Make some noise for Ryan Literal and Brandon Sorensen. A tire fire on that back left corner.
He is pumped.
Wow. Literally. Midnight, I'm coming, and everybody was so Shanahan. Sorensen on the fake Shanahan. Now transition in. Into the smoke pocket. Go Shanahan. Sorensen. Look at that minimal steering speed on the wheel, and wow. Once again, I mean, that is not a broken record. That is just absolutely back at it. He doesn't know what his track record looks like, but now here he is going best in the world. inside sweeper across the finish line. So that power alley might have played a role here. Let's take a look. Who's cheering on Manoa? Makes some noise. 14 years old. James Machine D. Who's on the final fence? James D. to beat him. And here's the that is a huge shot to Manoa's system. That is going to be huge, and that could have been a way worse. What went wrong for Manoa? Off the bank, shot forward. Watch this again. Or basically somebody who he absolutely admires to make a mistake. And that's a hard ass. It's a three-time champion, James D. Manoa off the bank. That is running all the way down this 14-year-old. Here we go. Looks like he does. The smoke canyon, the smoke valley, the killer crossover, whatever you want to call it. James Dean should be going through. The final, James the Machine Dean going to the finals after a major mistake. Our Fomula Drift finals. Shanahan there in that Red Bull Garageistic BMW, piloted by RCP previously. Now, James the Machine Dean, hey, leave your lights on, let's go! Type S lights are underneath the car and on the track and now in your hand. Let's send it! James Dean, Connor Shanahan. And Shanahan on the door of James the Machine Dean, the right hand. Let's get ready to send it on three. You'll send it. 1, 2, 3. Send it! Shanahan out front. James Dean chases Who's going to answer? Who's going to answer? On the box. James Dean down into the crease goes Shanahan. But James Dean put some respect on it. 3-time champion. James Dean says on 3. Let's yell send it as loud as possible. Are we going to get a winner? 1, 2, 3. Send it. James the Machine Dean. Locked and loaded. Both these guys. James the Machine Dean into the crease. Shanahan coming across, and there we go. What looked like a tire, it was the clipping point base rolling up in it. Let's send it! Shanahan indeed through that start chicane. He'll go for hit. The time that lights are on. We got contact.